Item categories. You are able to create item categories for your items. You can use categories to group your items for reporting purposes, since item reports can be printed per category. For example, you can create item categories as product range-wise. You can create item categories as product feature-wise. This can be useful for tracking sales and purchases in a particular item, to a particular group of items. To access this function, select Items, Lists, Item Categories, Add Category. If you want to create a new category, click on the Add Category button. Enter the name of the category. Enter item category. Click Save button. If you want to add more item categories, click Save and New button. After you create item categories, you can view the list of item categories. You can sort item categories by description. By clicking Action button, you can edit or delete item category. If you already linked item category to an item, you cannot delete the item category. After you create item categories, you can link item category to an item. You can generate reports by item category.